This is one of my favourite moments in Bali, the sunset, where the sun meets the evening. How wonderful, how beautiful are these colours. This is where I was staying at the Patra Resort. A temple there, and as you just see the evening, people slowing down, the wonderful kites in the air, and just the presence of just the moment where people enjoy a wonderful sunset. This is the resort that I stayed in, the Patra Resort in Bali. Have a look at this. You will see a wonderful pool soon. Just gorgeous. I enjoyed swimming in that pool. How gorgeous is this place?